So there are a couple of challenges that I found in the Airstream in our short trips, and I decided that I was not going to be able to deal with those for 3 months this summer. One of them is these bins that come with the Airstream. They're highly inefficient ways of storing anything. They go in these, if you've got this, we have a Globetrotter 23FB, but you know, they go under these cabinets here, and you're supposed to pull these out. You know, darned if I know how anyone was supposed to be organized with this. Plus, they don't actually fit in there, so they rest on the latches of the cabinet, and the darn things kept popping out. And Rich Lure, God bless him, he kept fixing them for me because I couldn't figure out how to do that snap. So I've decided to do something completely different with this. And what it is you know how in cabinets, I mean, in our house we've installed a lot of those pull-outs in your cabinets that are under the counter. So much easier than getting down and looking, right? So I used a strategy here where I've gotten all of these little organizational squares, and I've made kind of like drawers under there, right? And I've actually labeled them. Rich and I are geeks for labeling stuff. So we've got warm shirts, socks, I have tees and tanks, I have running stuff, and it's all under there. And I've basically got like 6 drawers. And what the beauty is I think like I do this at home, I can pull these things out, grab what I need, and put it back. Keeps it organized and easy to reach for. And then I got all these little cubes just on Amazon, and they nest. And so all this soft-sided stuff I think is really going to work. At least I hope it will. So the other thing I'm going to use that under storage for, taking out the other bin, is for shoes. And I found these great shoe bags. They were so inexpensive on Amazon. There's all kinds of them, but I like the ones that show the clear here. So I've basically put all of my shoes, because I'm sorry, I can't just do 4 shoes, you know, or 5 shoes for the summer. I have quite a few shoes. I've not put any boots or anything like that, but I have quite a few shoes. So I put them all in these bags where I can see them. They'll stay clean, and I just throw them under there in the under storage. And I think that's going to work great, but time will tell.